Hello guys, it's Hiran here. In this video, I am going to teach you how to earn $800 in 1 hour just by watching simple videos, and this is an insane way to make some money online in 2020. Guys, I'm showing you the best of the best websites in 2020 to make money online just by watching videos. I'm showing you literally the best websites out there. I'm not joking around, so make sure that you follow along and you stay to the end of this video so that you can fully understand all of these websites and see exactly how they operate and work. If you are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe because I upload videos daily on how to make money online and you don't want to miss out on that. Let's jump straight into this video. The first website that we are going to be looking at is called Userlytics. So Userlytics is this testing platform where you can literally just test out different applications and stuff like that and watch certain things, and you can earn money online. You can see right here there's different insights and they have different demographics and they collect data. Companies are willing to pay you a lot of money just to test out their new products and services. So that's what we are going to be doing today on this platform. You can see right here you can get feedback on your products and services, and yeah, they're willing to pay a lot. And you can see right here, this is how the interface looks. Everything is well organized. They have the test and you can open, you can create new tests and all of that. You can open different tests. All you have to do is watch certain things, and it's so easy to understand, guys. It's so simple and easy. They even give you a tutorial exactly how to do it right. You can see right here different companies have partnered up with Userlytics, like Microsoft, Google. The biggest companies have partnered up with Userlytics because they want to test out new products and services, and we get to see these products and services before they're actually released. So that is really cool. Let's scroll down. Like I said, they collect data, and this is just a great platform. So where you want to go is you can go to test or login right here. You can click on that. It will take you to this page. You can see right here Userlytics. You can get paid to take tests with websites and apps. So it's easy to register. It's completely free to register. By the way, all these websites are completely free. So that's a huge plus right there because you don't have to pay any money. You just got to invest a little bit of your time, guys, and to make money. That's a great thing. You can register right here. It's completely free, short and easy form. You can interact with web and mobile app, and all you have to do is pick your thought out and emotions out. That's what they want to hear. We're just going to give them feedbacks about what we're looking at and what we're reviewing basically. And we're just going to give them feedback, and they want us to be completely honest. There are only a few questions. It's very simple and easy to do, guys, and it's a fun way to make money online. This is a great side hustle. If you put in some work, you can easily make a lot of money on these platforms, guys. Especially if you use all three of these, it will definitely work. And you can see right here get paid via PayPal. So this is how you're going to be getting paid. And you can see get paid $5 up to 10, 15, 20 and up to $90 per test, which is like 5 to 10 minutes, which is pretty insane. So these are very easy to do, up to $90. Hit the thumbs up button right now if you feel like this is a great platform, guys, a great way to earn money online, and this is a great side income. You can see how this works. You just follow the instruction, guys. It's completely free and flexible. You can follow the tasks and instructions, and everything is just laid out for you, and you just have to follow it and complete it. That's it. So it's a very straightforward. Everything is well organized, like I said. So this is a great platform, guys. What countries you can use this website? You can see right here they have Europe, they have North America, they have Southeast Asia, they have Japan, China. They have other countries around the world. So guys, this is worldwide. I want everyone to know that this is completely worldwide, and they're adding new countries all the time. But guys, this is pretty insane right there. This is a great platform. They're adding more and more countries, so you can see this is literally like worldwide. And I get a lot of people asking me questions from South Africa or Japan or China. I get people across the world asking me, is this available here? So more worldwide methods. This is definitely one of them. What kind of software and hardware do I need? All you need is you can use your desktop computer, and you can use your mobile. You can download the app, or you can download the recorder for your desktop. So it's very simple and easy. You can look at these specs right here. This is basically Userlytics site. This is one of the highest paying website just for testing out different platforms. Literally pays a lot of money. And I do want to show you guys how this looks at the app, because it does look a little bit different. So right here you can see how it looks at the app. Right here you can see Userlytics customers insight welcome. They give you a code that you can put in. Here's the preview right here. Use your lyrics app. So just please remember, they just show you different rules. Guys, you get the whole point. This is Userlytics right there. Make sure you check out this website if you're interested. I do have a couple other websites to show you today, so stay tuned. All right guys, so here's another website. It's called uTest, and this is another great platform, one of the highest paying platform. uTest and Userlytics are definitely the highest paying guys. I'm showing you literally the highest paying websites out there. I clicked on project board because I want to show you the different projects, and because they have different projects that are worldwide, and it shows you the different countries right here. You can pick and choose the different countries that you want to choose. We can choose Android or iOS. Now as you can see right here, you can look at these different applications and choose between these. They have a lot of different projects that you can do, and they pay a lot of money guys. They pay a lot of money, just like Userlytics, even more guys, which is completely insane. I'm not joking around. All of these platforms are literally insane, and you definitely want to check some of these. This is a great side hustle. You can earn a lot of money, and it's completely flexible. Like I said, go to uTest, sign up. It's completely free to sign up. Like I said, everything completely free. Just first name, last name, email address, date of birth, your gender, language that you speak. I forgot to mention this, but there's different projects that you can do in different languages, so you don't have to speak English. Like I said, you can choose any type of country that you want. You can choose the projects that are worldwide. You can choose any type of project. You can put down different languages that you speak. This is really good because you have even more projects that you can do and even more money that you can earn on this platform, guys. I wanted to show this website so everyone can have an opportunity to make money online. uTest right here. Make sure to check it out, guys. It's a great platform. You won't regret it. Now let's go to the final platform that we're going to be looking at today. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so here's the final platform. This is called UserZoom. This is the website. I'm basically gonna go over what this website is all about. It's kind of like the same as the others. You can take simple tests, and you can give your feedback about it and make a lot of money. As you can see right here, they are partnered with some of the biggest companies in the world. Google, that alone is the biggest name, literally. Like I said, companies are willing to pay a lot of money just to get their products reviewed. That's basically it, guys. Click on join our panel at the top of the menu bar, and then it will take you to this page. This is the page that we're going to be doing the tests. It says your opinion matters, which it does, guys. Your opinion really matters. Now on this one, the tests are a little bit longer, and they're more like 15 to 20 minutes, but that's really good. You can still make a lot of money, not as much as Userlytics or uTest, but you could still make a lot of money on this platform, guys. It's definitely worth it. It's easy, simple to understand. Saving up for something or looking for a bit of extra spending money, join the people all over the world making additional income by sharing their experiences. There's different products that we can influence, guys, by giving our opinion, which is really cool. Like I said, do this in your spare time. Everything is completely flexible. I completely understand if you have a 9 to 5. This only takes like 5, 10, 15 minutes out of your day. I'm pretty sure we all can spare 15 minutes. Like I said, if you have a busy schedule, you may need to lose at least 10-15 minutes of your sleep. This is a great side hustle, guys, a great side income if you don't have that much time in your day. Let's click on some of these. You can get paid through PayPal. You just need a Wi-Fi connection to get started. It really is up to you, guys, how much money you want to make on this platform. It's very simple and easy to understand. Basically, guys, this is the platform right here. Make sure to check out this platform. Make sure to check out all of the platform, guys. Make sure you hit the thumbs up button, like and subscribe. Leave any questions that you may have, any other videos or type of videos that you want me to do. Leave a comment below. I'll make sure to look at the comment and answer it. Make sure you check out some of my other videos I post every day. Join the family. Make sure to share this video with your friends, families, co-workers, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.